What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another daily update with your boy Philakone Crypto, the biggest degenerate in all of crypto space, and you would all agree with me as well. And why am I a degenerate? Because I'm still here trying to educate the public after 9 years in the crypto market. Two bull markets, two bear markets. I still know fuck all. And here I am making $10 a month monetizing my YouTube videos so I can buy 1/10 of a bag of cocaine. No, I'm just kidding, guys. In all honesty, I think that you would all agree with me that Philakone Crypto is one of the biggest degenerates in the crypto space. I mean, he's still here after all, trying to catch another bull market. I mean, who the fuck hasn't retired yet after 9 years of crypto? Really, all I had to buy was one stupid meme coin like Doge or Dog with Hat, put in like $10,000 and I would have like a fucking billion, gabillion, zillion, trillion dollars already. But no, you know what I decided to do? I decided to short Bitcoin at $74,000 with a 125x leverage and get liquidated instead, like how every other noob out there plays in the market. But don't worry, guys. I'm here to give you the best motherfucking update to date. This September, today's the date of September. Who gives a shit? It doesn't even matter because it's close to the end of the year and that is what matters. So if you guys trust me, make sure that you watch till the end of the video. You are stuck with me for a little bit longer, but if you watch to the end of this video, you're probably going to learn a shit ton from all of the stupid mistakes that I've made. For example, some of the mistakes that I've made was I decided to hold on to my portfolio when it peaked at 7 mil. But instead, it's now dropped down to a little bit under 4. So because of that, I lost about $3 million, but who gives a shit? You know why? Because one day it's probably going to turn into like 15 or 20. And that's what I'm here to tell you guys today. What you should probably do. What I would personally do to ensure that you guys maximize these profits of yours. But in all jokes aside, all intros aside, guys, I'm trying to help you the best that I possibly can. And with my mistakes that I've made in the previous markets and with my understanding of the market and how much I actually pay attention to this market, probably more than 91% of people out there, actually probably more than 99% of the people out there, because all that I do is literally read, eat, breathe, and live crypto. I have time for nothing else. I mean, sure, I traveled to Canada in July and then I took like a 2-week vacation in Turkey in August, and then just earlier this month I went to Poland for 2 months. And just because I'm going to Barcelona again next week for a week, and just because after that, I'm going to France, Italy, and Malta, and then after that I'm going to the UK, all before November, it doesn't mean I don't have a lot of time for crypto or put in a lot of time, okay? It's just my lady. She just wants to travel all the time. She doesn't understand that I got to be in one place sometimes, but when I do find that time, I will be here to give you mother effers the best quality advice. So what I'm going to tell you today is this. You should be buying up some crypto, because if you're not, you're going to be one of those mother effing people out there that's just going to regret not getting into crypto. Ooh, should I just wait a little bit longer to buy? Ooh, what's the best price point to buy? Ooh, I'm going to wait for like 30K or 40K or 45K or 50K to buy. I'm just going to wait for the next dip. And then by the time the bull market reaches a top, it's like, oh, maybe I should have bought something, but I actually bought nothing. And then the market says rallying and rallying and rallying, and oh, maybe I'm going to wait for a pullback, but there's no fucking pullback that even happens. So you know what ends up happening? You don't even get into crypto because you're too scared to get into it, or because you're waiting for the exact price point to hit some low magical number that's going to grow your balls with horny goat weed so you can get that confidence and testosterone to just get up there in the crypto space and buy something. The best strategy that you should employ is probably just keep dollar cost averaging, guys. Why the fuck would you not dollar cost average? You've had for such a long period already. I mean, just because the market has been going sideways almost for like 192 days doesn't mean you should be dollar cost average, or you shouldn't be dollar cost averaging, I meant. Like, you just take a look at every coin out there right now. I still stand by my same narrative of how these AI and gaming sectors are just going to dominate the market. So I'm going to talk to you guys about how Bitcoin is trending right now and what I think it's personally going to do. If you look at Bitcoin on a 4-day chart right now, first of all, you got to understand there's mass adoption with Bitcoin right now. institutions are gobbling up crypto, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are being eaten up by the dozens right now, secretly behind the scenes. Okay, so you see that there's a massive trend line that's forming. And the only way to go is to eventually break here in November, to eventually get back up to about 72,400 to test this resistance. And then once this resistance gets broken near 72K, it's going to be bam, flying colors. Every coin is going to be carried with it. And if Bitcoin ends up going to 74K, 72K, 90K, 100K, it doesn't matter if it's Joe Blow Schmo coin. It's going to pick up to the upside. Even your shittiest coins that you hold are also going to be carried as well. So it doesn't really matter what you buy. But of course, there needs to be a method to your madness. So right now, what I can assure you guys is that I'm extremely confident with the rate cuts that are going to go on. Also, with the federal election where Trump is most likely going to win and he's very pro-crypto. If this happens and the rate cuts end up occurring as well, guys, you can expect a massive bullish movement to the upside. So understand that. From a technical perspective, outside of fundamental, this just looks like there's a lot of momentum to eventually break. If not, the worst case scenario is we get another low and we get another chance to buy back even more at cheaper prices and accumulate. And that would be a very ideal situation. So if we take a look at a lot of coins right now, they're low, man. Like Polygon, guys, is one of the best picks that I have. In my opinion, it's not the biggest pick, but it's a great pick. Layer 2s are very popular. I carry a little bit of Polkadot now. I reduced my position. I completely exited Algorand and also HBAR. I'm not holding any of those anymore. I'm heavily holding Sol and also Near as well. Polygon's a great layer 2 pick as well. I'm holding a lot of Chainlink still and also not Link anymore, but I will be getting back into that. I'm also holding Injective and Jupiter. And some of the best coins that I hold right now, I got rid of my Gala positions. The best gaming coins that I hold are going to be Superverse, IMX, and also Beam. These guys, I'm not going to get into the fundamentals, but if you do the research on them, they're amazing platforms that games are launching on. And I highly recommend that you guys do some research and take a look at Superverse, IMX, Beam. Also, the AI coins that I'm holding are, of course, Render, because I strongly believe in NVIDIA, and they're providing a massive supply to the GPU processing power and world and landscape. Also, I'm holding a lot of FET after they merge with Ajax and also Ocean. I'm carrying ARC-M as well, Tau, Tia. So some great picks, I think, in my arsenal right now that have a potential to do some massive numbers down the road. Ethereum recovered from that $22,000 low. That's a huge number that it recovered from in literally just a few days. It's up 16% when it was 2,300. So it's recovering strongly right now. Eventually, it's going to get back up to this particular point at 2,800 and most likely end up breaking above it. So I didn't want to keep this video for too long, but if I can assure you guys one thing is that I'm very bullish right now. Not only that, I'm going to be buying even more crypto, and I believe in it so strongly and so firmly, and so should you guys as well. This might be one of the very last opportunities for you to get into crypto. And if you're not into crypto, you're just going to be one of those idiots that watches it fly by and says to yourself, after you're seeing Bitcoin on the news for $100,000, $200,000, you'll be like, oh, maybe I should have bought some crypto. Why didn't I buy some crypto? I had a chance to buy some crypto, but I didn't because I'm a pussy. And that's exactly what's going to happen. So make sure you guys are dollar cost averaging. Take the fucking chance. If you don't take the chance, you know what's going to happen? You're just going to go back to your normal life, your mediocre life. You're going to go back to your 9-to-5 kind of job, whoever you work for. You're going to keep working harder so your boss can get a new car. You're going to be envious of all the people that did extremely well. If you want to take that safe kind of life, by all means, that's for you. But me, I'm going to make sure that I have diamond balls and I keep buying and dollar cost averaging, guys. And I'm going to make sure I see you guys at the top because I'm on an 8-figure road right now, man. Road to 8 figures. And there's nothing that's going to stop me. And there's nothing that's going to stop you either if you're watching this video. So I'm going to end the video right here. And by the way, guys, it's October. It's October, which means that my elite tier trading group now has room for actually only 4 more members. And if you guys take a look at it, man, I've been making some crazy good trades in here recently. So make sure you guys are following me up. I was talking about ARC a few days ago. I don't know if you guys saw this video. I took a $14,000 profit on ARC. I'm up $25,000 live trading with my elite tier Discord group in just 48 hours. That's it. Just 48 hours of trading, up 25K. I call every single signal of mine, everything that I'm trading, I talk about it in the elite tier group. I'm very transparent. So if I'm going to trade a coin, you're going to know about it before I enter. You're going to know my thoughts while I'm in the position. You're going to know my thoughts when I want to exit the position. So it's a really good investment. The investment is $950 to join it if you are not currently a lifetime member already. You're going to get access to the elite tier group of mine where I live trade. You're going to get access to the newest course that just came out. Philakone's course of version 3.0, mastering the day trading markets. You're going to get access to my advanced volatility scanner as well. That's going to help you find the best trades out there because it looks for volatility. You're also going to get access to many other things like a library full of stuff in the actual Discord group as well. So if you guys are interested in that, DM me. 4 more slots are open for October and I will see you there. Have yourselves a great day. And if you guys enjoy my content, just hit the like button. Even if you don't like my content, just hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and I'm going to see that I make sure that you guys ride this next bull market to the maximum amount. I'll see you later. Bye now.